हेलो एवरीवन, सो कैप 2 रिजल्ट्स आर आउट एंड मैक्सिमम लोगों ने अभी बेटरमेंट के लिए डाला होगा एंड मेनी ऑफ द पीपल माइट नॉट हैव गॉट अलॉटमेंट टिल नाउ। जिन लोगों का कट ऑफ परसेंटाइल से 70-65 के नीचे है उन लोगों को अभी तक अलॉटमेंट नहीं मिला होगा। इन सच सिचुएशन व्हाट आर यू सपोज टू डू? You have to join this session which is there on 38/24 and 7 evening को Google Meet के link के through you have to join the session. So there is free counseling session. You can ask all the type of questions which are there in your mind. Okay. So can I get job, CS job by doing ENTC, etc.? This is the most famous question that students ask because computer nahi mila, IT nahi mila, AIML nahi mila, data science nahi mila. Then only branch that you are left out with is ENTC, electrical, then electronics and telecommunication, etc. तो वो करने के बाद computer related job मिलेगा क्या? Coding related job मिलेगा क्या? This is the most important doubt that the students are having, that we will try to clear in this session. Now this kind of cutoff sheet will also be available on 30th, wherein the cutoff of all the colleges of Mumbai University will be there. It is taking some time for us to create for Pune University. Let us see whether we can produce it on the same day. But here, when I have seen the cutoff, I have not found much difference in the cutoff of first round and in second round. Okay, but many of the students are not aware that two new colleges were there this time for the counseling session. One was a partner institute, or you can say an institute from the same foundation of Thakur College of Engineering, which was Sham Narayan College of Engineering. If I am not wrong, Thakur Sham Narayan Engineering College. Again, it is Hindi minority, and the CE cutoff for second round was 94.17 percentile. Again, from the same foundation of that of DJ Sanghvi College, Shri Bhagubhai Mafatlal Polytechnic and College of Engineering has also participated. Now it is also a degree college. Again, the cutoff for computer science and engineering computer engineering was 93.47 and 91.97. So if you are not aware about these two new colleges, you can add up in your preference list if you are in the range of 90 plus percentile. Okay, last year also there was some good amount of fluctuations in cap 3, so it is expected even this time. So you can create a preference list. Now you have to create a preference list of more than 200 colleges. Sorry, not 200 colleges, 200 preferences. Then and only then there are chances for allotment. So the people who are not in their group till now, in our group till now, they can join the group and they will be getting the Google Meet link at around 6:45 on 30th, 30 तारीख को मिलेगा.